What is time blocking?
Time blocking is a productivity method where you schedule specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities. Instead of having a general to-do list, you dedicate set periods to focused work, meetings, personal time, or breaks. This approach helps reduce distractions and ensures you allocate enough time for both professional and personal responsibilities.
How does time blocking improve work-life balance?
By intentionally separating work and personal tasks on your calendar, time blocking helps prevent work from spilling into your free time. You're more likely to finish work tasks within set hours and make room for rest, hobbies, and family. This clear boundary reduces stress and makes it easier to fully enjoy personal activities after work.
What are the basic steps to get started?
Begin by listing your key work and personal tasks. Next, estimate how much time each task needs and reserve blocks for them on your calendar. Include firm start and end times and build in short breaks. Be realistic with your schedule and leave some open spaces to handle unexpected needs.
Can time blocking handle unexpected interruptions?
Yes, flexibility is important. Include buffer blocks for unplanned tasks or rescheduling. If something urgent arises, move less critical activities to another time block. Regularly review and adjust your calendar to reflect changes, so your plan stays practical and supportive of both work and life priorities.
What tips help maintain successful time blocking?
Commit to following your schedule as closely as possible. Set reminders to switch tasks and avoid multitasking. Review your blocked calendar weekly to refine it based on what worked. Don't forget to schedule time for rest and personal interests. This is key to maintaining a healthy work-life balance in the long run.